Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the reply option on Instagram. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. On the top right corner, tap on chat icon. Now you need to choose any one of that. If I tap and hold on the message, I get different options. I can react by different emojis, reply to them, forward their message to other people, copy it, delete it for me, and also report their message. If I want to reply, I must just simply tap on reply. Then what it does is it replies on a specific message that person has sent. However, if you don't see that options, then you probably haven't updated your app. Now you need to go to your Play Store or App Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. To the right side of Instagram, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. The reason why we update our app, because it is fairly new feature and we want to make sure that we have the latest Instagram feature. The next thing we can do is go back to our Instagram, and on the bottom right corner tap on profile icon. When we enter on our profile page, on the top right corner tap on three-lined icon. Here you got the different options. Tap on settings and privacy. If you see update messaging, then tap on it. Simply updating the app doesn't work. You need to tap on update messaging. That will give you the latest functionality of messaging. After that, go back to home page, and on the chat section we will get a reply option on Instagram, and this is how we get the reply option on Instagram. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.